Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the door, reach down underneath. There's a little logo here telling you where the hood release is. Pull it down, and look for the safety release. It's right here. Push it to the passenger side. Put the prop rod. That's the normal position. There's also a service position for the prop rod. You can lift the hood up further, put it in there. Give you more space so you don't hit your head. Change the air filter, and unlock the two clips, pull them up. Separate air box. This actually comes up off of a couple pins. You can slide it backwards a bit. Slide the air filter out. Just kind of pry it like that with your fingers. Reinstall the filter. Slide it back in. The wide part is going to go towards the front of the car. Sometimes you have to mess with the box a little bit, so that'll push in. Then we'll make sure the bottom of the box gets clipped in to place. That'll push together. Can lock it back up. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.